Oh.
So this is actually our mission is an Yamaha S10 mission, so which which is having a capability of 45,000 components per hour. So which can place a 45,000 chips per hour. Okay, so here it is having a totally 72 type of components can be programmed at a time.
All are SMT type, sir?
All are SMT only. Through hole can't be with this, sir.
Okay, sir.
So only SMT. So if you have seen there is a resistor, MOSFETs, LED, and there's a chip, and there's capacitors, and there's a diode.
Oh, it is a strip. It looks white and black. Inside the strip, there is a component, right, sir?
Yes, sir. This is the component. See, you can see, right? There's a capacitor. So this is a resistor, and this is an LED, and this is an so 8 pins. So this is a chip. Okay, and this is a MOSFET. So 3 terminal device.
Okay.
And yeah, this is also one type of MOSFET or some regulators. Okay, so these all components actually feed it to mission through these feeders. So these are the feeders we will call. So whenever the mission running, actually one by one, once the component was chosen, taken from the particular reel, again this thing will do one more component that it will insert in the same place. Okay, so this is the head we will call. So this head actually will move wherever it have to go to pick the component and to place the component. So before that, actually we have to program this mission. So the program which is related to about the x and y coordinates of the components. For example,
sir.
already we have discussed, right? So this is any reference 1 and this is a reference 2. Okay, this is a 0, the coordinate 0 point. So from here there is any some x measurement it is having and y measurement it is having.
Okay.
So that x and y information we will give
Like
here.
CAD.
Yeah, CAD.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so x and y coordinates we will feed here, and also z, and also the angle of component. Okay.
Okay,
The orientation of the component will be there, right, sir? So for example, this is the 8-pin component, in which orientation it should be kept. Okay, that information also we have to feed in this mission. So accordingly, and also we have to feed this information also. So in which channel you have placed this component. So that information also to be programmed in this thing. So accordingly, the head will come and it will choose the component and it will place it. So before placing also there is any inspection in the system itself. So this is a camera assisting system again. Okay, so before we are loading, after we are loading the components, we have to teach the component physical parameters. Okay, because this is the nozzle actually. Okay, so these are the things. So which will take the component and it will place the component, pick and place. Okay,
sir.
so how it will be there? So once it has picked the component from the reel, so it will come to the camera system and it will check whether the
correct or not.
proper component was chosen or it was picked anything wrongly. So actually the component should be picked in the middle, but if it was picked in any, is there any tolerance, what it will do, if it is not proper, it failed, so it will keep it here.
Okay. How much time it will take to complete this PCB, sir?
This PCB can be done within 2.5 minutes.
For all components?
All components.
It will recheck and it will do it.
Yeah, 2.5 minutes it will complete, sir.
And what are the different dimensions of this board, sir?
So this board, these missions actually will accept up to 50 centimeter. 360 mm. Yeah. So width of 360 mm and length of 520 mm.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah,
Actually, we used to say in microns, no, sir? Or
Microns, sir. These units are actually for the PCB consideration. We will consider it as an mm, sir. If coming to components, the length of the terminal, okay, those will comes into microns.
So while designing in PCB software also, we
It
can
is
take
in
it as mm.
It is mm or mils.
Mills. Okay, both are flexible.
Both can be.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so since already we have deposited paste, so the paste is having some viscosity and tacking properties. So because of that thing, when you have inserted the components, so which is heavy, this will get certain strength to hold the components till the reflow processes happen. Okay, so once the components